Okay, here we are. This is my UREVO here. This is the mini foldable treadmill. First thing is there are some transportation wheels at the front here, right there and there. So I'm just going to move this forward ever so slightly. I'll just grab it from here and then I'll just move that. There you go. That's moving forward and put it back down. We're good. Okay, right here and right here, I got to lift these up to put these in the upright position here. And to lock those into position here, I've got these 4 bolts I got to put in and then the safety clip here. Okay, so I'm just going to lift this up just like that. It goes upright just like that. And then right here, I've got the bolts. And I'm just going to kind of do that. Okay, that's pretty snug. Good to go. Okay, going into the other side here, right about here. Same thing. All right, that's pretty snug. Okay, for the top bolts here, it's actually right there. So I'm just going to lift this down like that. Then I'm just going to screw the top bolt in here. Again, making sure it's snug. That's pretty good. Now I'll do the same thing on this side here. Okay. All right. Snug. Okay, here's where we're at so far. We've got these in place. We put the bolts in there. We also put the bolts in down there. That's kind of what it looks like there. All right, let's continue. Okay, now we've got the display area here and this whole area right here. It's supposed to go like that. So you can see there's an angle there that goes upward. And then I can push this down, but it goes like that. So it kind of goes at an angle downward. So for intended use, it's supposed to be kind of angled like that. So angled like that. All right, let's fire it up here. This is the start button. There's going to be a 3-second countdown there. And we're going to start. And the display, that 0.6 is in miles per hour there. And now I'm just walking. And I'm also using the handrail, which is good. Okay, let's take a closer look at the display here. We've got distance in this corner right here. Then we have time right in the middle there. And then calories. And then right at the top there in miles per hour, that's the speed, which is right there. That's his speed. Right here, we've got increased speed, decreased speed, stop, start, program, and mode. And then these are, I'm actually not sure what these are. I think these are the different types of programs or modes it goes in there, but I'm actually not sure. Okay, now I'm just going to hit start. Count down. And you'll see there that the speed is at 0.6. And then the timer has started. It's at around increasing about 13-14 seconds right now. And then calories are at 0.1. And distance currently is at 0. All right, let's take a look at that walking deck. The length of it in inches, I don't know, it's about 40 inches or so. Okay, great, I'm done for the day here. So now I'm gonna flatten this out again. Just gonna remove the safety clip. Now I'm gonna take off this bolt here. There you go. Going to take off the other bolt right here. Now I got to be careful here when this comes up. This handrail may turn, so you got to be a little cautious here. And then what happens is it goes like that. And so, yeah, just so you know, that's what happens. Okay, now this bolt here, I'm just gonna unscrew that. Just holding on to this right here, making sure it's okay. Okay, same thing with this bolt right here. And I'm holding this area right here, keeping it up. Right on. Okay, now I'm just gonna gently lay this flat, just like that. Okay, and as for clearance, my angle's a little off here, so I'll just get this pen. That's where it intersects. It's around the 5 inches or so mark. Yeah. So give or take. And looking at this side here, at the top there, looks to be below 5 inches or so. All right, look at the walking deck. You'll see these yellow spots. I actually put those on manually after. That's not what it looks like when you get it. The reason why I got that is because in my living room, I couldn't tell if this was on or not. It kind of, I guess, the sunlight and the reflection, I couldn't see. I couldn't tell. So I put these spots on here so I could actually see it rotating. That's just something I did there. So, yeah. All right, and that's my mini folding UREVO treadmill there.